guys, welcome back to Chiara DIY. What today we have another Christmas DIY. Okay, so we are on day 5 and I have this paint stick basket that I want to show you how to do. Now I've seen this, the paint stick tutorial a bunch of times in different variations, and I said, if people can do this for the summertime, why can't I do this for Christmas? So here we are, my Christmas paint basket decoration. And I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to tell you what you need. We are on day 5. Welcome back. Let's get into it. Let's DIY. If you missed yesterday's tutorial, this thing right here, click up here so that you can watch the video and catch up. And a big virtual hug to Simply Mindy, who is hosting this 12 days. So if you have missed anything that I've said about her, click the link down below to find out who she is and what she's all about. But don't forget to subscribe. Click that subscription button down below and click the bell so that you're notified each time I upload a video.
Okay, so you'll have to start off with paint sticks. I bought them from Home Depot, 2 packs of those. They have 10 in each. And 1 pack you will have to cut 8 pieces down to 7 inches. And then a wooden dowel, I got that from AC Moore, and I cut those down to 6 inches. I decided to paint my basket white. You can certainly use whatever color you want. And I only did 1 coat of the white to kind of allow it to have that natural wood, painted wood look. Started by making a U shape for the basket. I used Elmer's glue, but I would suggest using carpenter's glue or some kind of heavier glue. But it did work. It just took a little bit for it to actually stick and hold together. Probably like 25 minutes or so. Once you have the frame started, you can go ahead and start stapling on the sticks. I alternated the ends, so one end was curvy, one end was straight, and I just alternated that throughout the design. So without measuring, I wanted to make sure that I had the perfect space between each stick, so I put it on the last stick and then the middle stick, and then went to the other side and continued to staple the bottom of the basket together. For the side, again, I started to staple, and I also alternated each side of the stick. So one side was straight and one side was curvy, and I continued that all the way up through the basket on both sides. I lost the other footage, don't ask me how, to show you how I finished the basket, but I basically just continued to staple on the sticks how I did the other sides. Now for the fun part, I used red mesh from the Dollar Tree, and I wrapped it around to give it a more festive look. I used a whole roll because there wasn't much, and I just simply glued the last bit of it to the back part of the basket. I used Garland from the Dollar Tree, and I basically put that in there to give it a more fuller look. I was going to use the ornaments that are featured there, but I decided not to, and I added fake snow instead to give it a fuller, bigger look. And then I used little floral pieces from the Dollar Tree to fill in the basket. So once I finished, I decided to add a bow to the front. I made this bow by hand. If you missed the tutorial on how to make a bow, I will link it up above so that you can catch up on that. And that was my finished look for the basket. I wanted to just fluff it out a little bit, make it look a little fuller, and certainly you can add or remove the floral pieces as you see fit, but that is the finished look. Head to my Instagram so that you can check this out and check out the other ladies who are in the collab.
So thanks for watching this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it was easy to follow and you got all of the steps. Comment down below and tell me what you think of the decor. if I need to change this middle piece up, what should I add, what should I include. And since this fell over, if you missed yesterday's tutorial, click down below so that you can catch up, and we will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.